Hello friends, so we are creating an e-commerce app. So in the last video we created a welcome screen activity. So in this video we create a login and sign up screen design, and also we will connect our app to Firebase. So let's get started. Okay, first go to login.xml, change this constant layer to scroll view, and after that create a linear layout, match parent and wrap content, orientation vertical, and close this tag. And after that click on the drawable folder and create a new drawable source file. The name of the file will be abs-cbn, and change the selected to shape, and OK. Now stroke color, this one, it is a snow blue color. Close this tag, and width will be 3dp. OK, and after that corners radius 20dp, and close this one. Now close this file and create another drawable resource file, and this one will be edit text background, and change the selected to shape. Now this time solid color light blue, and corners radius 20dp, and close this file. Now inside the linear layout create a relative layout with 50dp and height also 50dp, and background abs-cbn, on the margin 10dp. Move on to your abs-cbn file, change the radius 20dp to 15dp, and close this file. And inside the relative layout create an image view, layout with 20dp and height 20dp, and source will be drawable back. I downloaded this icon from Flaticons. You can find the link in the description. And center in parent true. Okay, now close this tag. Now create a text view, wrap content and wrap content, layer gravity center horizontal, and font family pop-ins medium, and the text will be login, and text size 50 sp, text color deep blue, margin top 20dp. Okay, now close this tag, and after this create a relative layout, wrap content layout height 60dp, and margin start 20dp, margin end 20dp, background edit text background, margin top 5dp. Now close this tag. So change the layer width to match parent, and before the relative layout we need a text view. The text view will be wrap content and wrap content, margin start 30dp and margin top 20dp, font family pop-ins medium, and the text will be phone number, the text size 18 sp, text color deep blue. Now close this tag. Now go to build.gradle and paste this dependency. You can find it in description. And after that go to your login.xml, and inside the relative layout type country code picker, and the layout with 80dp and height 60dp, and margin start 70dp, and padding will be 10dp. Now it shows us flag, so let us hide this flag. Show flag false, and also it's showing the name of the country, so let me hide that too. Show name code false. Now it shows the country code, so show phone code true. And just remove this margin start. Okay, now it's perfect. Close this tag, and after that create edit text, wrap content and 60dp height, and margin start for this will be 70dp, layout will be match parent. And after that we need to erase this line, so for that background type 8 zeros 3 6 7 8. It is a color code for transparent color, and after that hint will be phone number, and padding start 5dp. Now close this tag, and after the relative layout we need text view. For that just copy this one and paste it to the relative layout, and change the phone number to password. And now we need edit text. For the edit text width will be match parent and height 60dp, and margin start 20 dp, margin top 5 dp. The background will be edit text background, and margin end 20 dp. The padding 20 dp, and the hint will be password. Close this, and the input type text password. And after this, we need a text view wrap content and wrap content, and the layer gravity start and margin start 20 dp, and the text will be forget password, and the text color black, and margin top 5 dp, the text size 15 sp, and close this. And after this, we need a button. So for the app compact button, match parent, the height will be 60 dp, and after this, margin 30 dp, and the background will be btn solid, and the text login, text color white, text size 18 sp, and close this one. And after that, we need another text view. So for the text view, wrap content and wrap content, layout gravity center horizontal, and text will be create account, text color black, text size 20 sp, and close this tag. Now we need to design sign up layout. For that, just copy this one and paste it in the sign up layout, and paste it here. Now I need to change the login to sign up. For that, sign up. Now we need another edit text. For that, copy this one and paste it below the related layout, and change the password to name, full name, and input type text person name, and the string will be name, and edit this forget password text, and the login button to sign up, and create account to login. Now we successfully created a sign up design. Now we need to connect our app to Firebase. For that, open your browser and search for Firebase. Click on get started. Now we need to create a project. Click on create project and enter your project name. So my project name will be plans IO, and accept the terms and conditions. Continue, and accept this condition and create project. Now click on continue. Now we need to connect this to our app. For that, go to Android Studio and go to tools, click on Firebase, click on authentication. Now click on authenticate using a custom authentication system. Connect to Firebase. Now select your app, click on connect. Now our app has been successfully connected to Firebase. Now close this window and go to Android Studio. Now we need to download the SDK, so click on this one and accept changes. And after that, go back and click on real-time database. Now click on get started. Now download this SDK, accept changes. Click on Cloud Firestore, get started, and add this SDK, accept changes. Now we are going to verify our user using OTP verification. So for that, we need two things, SHA-1 and another one is SHA-256. To get that, click on the Gradle, click on the small elephant, and type signing report and enter. Now you can get SHA-1 and SHA-256. Now go to Firebase, click on build, click on authentication, click on get started. Now click on phone, enable, and save. Now go to project settings, click on settings and project settings. Scroll down. Now we need to add fingerprints. For that, click on add fingerprint. Now go to Android Studio and copy SHA1 and paste it here and save. Now again click on add fingerprint. Go to Android Studio and copy SHA256 and paste it here and save. Now go to app check. Click on get started. Click on register. Play integrity. Accept license and save. Click on safety net. Accept this license and save. Now our app has been successfully connected to Firebase. Now in the next video, we will see how to authenticate user. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.